Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for the base. For the liquids, prepare 1 cup of warm milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Finally, have 1 cup of delicious chocolate chips ready to go. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, cocoa powder, sugar, yeast, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the warm milk, melted butter, and eggs. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten for a perfect texture. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm spot for 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, fold in your 1 cup of chocolate chips, distributing them evenly. Finally, shape the dough into a beautiful loaf and place it into a greased 9x5-inch loaf pan for its second, shorter rise. We're almost there. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Bake your chocolate bread for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. For perfect doneness, the internal temperature should register 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, transfer the loaf to a wire rack and let it cool completely for at least 30 minutes before slicing. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.